Hello, I'm Eleftheria. I'm an employee at EAS CYCLADES, a union of athletic clubs in CYCLADES, Greece, and particularly it's based in Mykonos. I'm an assistant project manager, helping with the implementation of Erasmus Plus projects, and one of them is Skills for New Horizons. SEGAS CYCLADES is responsible for the organization of sport events on and off track, with more than 150 volunteers, a wide network of 35 coaches and trainers, and the cooperation with local stakeholders and authorities and also universities. Some of its most successful events are Kids Athletics, Dilia, Portarathlon, and also Sifnos Street Shot Put Meeting. Some of the aims of the union is the increase in the number of athletes, the growth of the race movement, sustaining the high level of athletics in CYCLADES, the encouragement for participation in a great sports family regardless of age, gender and social status. Also, the promotion of social cohesion through sports in respect of insularity. And finally, the increase in the attractiveness of CYCLADES for hosting international meetings inside and outside the stadium. As CYCLADES has participated in several Erasmus Plus projects. In S4NH, our goal is to pass every knowledge that we have in terms of organizing a sport event, but also learn from the experience from the other partners and participants. Thank you everyone. Bye from Greece and EAS CYCLADES.